Hi everyone, welcome back our channel. Today I want to tell you about a topic, how to cook with salt. Let's start. Salt plays a crucial role in curing food. Food may be preserved in other ways, such as air drying or smoking, but these methods are not as reliable or as tasty as curing with salt. Salt curing can be done by pickling in brine or by spreading salt over a food and hanging in the air. It may also be combined with other methods such as smoking. Salt plays several different roles in curing. The first is that it creates change in the osmotic pressure of food cells, which pours water out of the food and kills most pathogens. All food cells are filled with salt water that contain minerals, mostly salts. When you immerse food into salt brine, the salt content of the fluid outside the cells becomes greater than what is inside the cell. The cell's normal functions rely on maintaining a balance of osmotic pressure between the fluids inside and outside the cell. So, as salt concentration outside a cell rises, water rushes out the cells to dilute the salt and bring the organism osmotic pressure back into balance. This dries out the cells, and since microbes that cause spoilage need water to live, they are destroyed in the process. At the same time, salt-cured food becomes a less habitable environment for future growth of harmful bacteria. Thoroughly cured foods may be stored without refrigeration for weeks or months. Salt curing also makes food texturally denser and more concentrated in flavor. In meats, curing breaks down and tenderize taut protein fibers, resulting in the compact yet tender texture of dry cured ham, such as prosciutto. Curds for meat traditionally contained potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate, which morph into potassium or sodium nitrate during curing. This conversion from nitrate to nitrite is a time relief function, giving the curd time to slowly work its way deep into meat. For briefer curds, where nitrate's time relief effect is not needed, sodium nitrite curing salt are used. In both instances, nitrate helps delay spoilage, especially from anaerobic bacteria, and it sets the red pigment in meat into the permanent rosy pink of curd ham, corned beef, and hot dog. Nitrate and nitrate salt are both toxic. Curing is the art of using this toxicity to kill bacteria without harming the eater. Curing salt. The term curing salt usually refers to salt with sodium nitrate, and or potassium nitrate. The most common way to insert a proper level of nitrate and nitrate in your curd is to use pre-mixed curing salts. These are commonly known as tinted curing mixture, tinted curd, pink salt, saffrose, instant curd, or fragrance powder. You can make your own curing sauce by combining natural sea salt with salt batter, but this requires a good deal of precision and a high level of fluency with the curing process itself. Okay, that's all. If you see this is good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you next time.